ball rolling your glutes. This is a super good one for if you've done a bit of training and end up with a tight butt. Glutes are your butt muscles. So you're going to take a ball. If you've got a tennis ball, that'll work too. This is like a squishy rubber cricket ball. You're going to sit it on the ground under your butt. You're going to take one leg and cross it over the other so that you're sitting on the ball. Oh, and then you're just going to relax on the ball. And you're going to breathe, and you're going to try and relax your face because tension in other areas of the body puts tension in the muscles that you're trying to relax. And you're just going to roll it about, find those sore spots, and then just sit on them for a moment and just breathe. It's probably one of the hardest things that you'll do, and it can be highly uncomfortable. But just hold it for about 6 seconds on each spot that you find really uncomfortable, and then move on. Just roll it about. And once you're done, bring your foot down, hop off the ball, and then you can swap sides. So same thing on the other side. Sitting onto the ball, just placing your hands on the ground to support your back, and then crossing that leg over the top. And then just roll about. So crossing your leg over the top helps to stretch out the muscles through your butt here. So when they're getting stretched and then you're getting a ball and pushing it into that muscle, it just helps to target any tighter areas because they're already in a state of being stretched. So it's kind of like just the ball's able to dig in a little more. And then once you've found your spots and you feel like you're done, you're going to hop off the ball and throw that sucker away because it's not our friend. And you're done with your glute rolling.